Hello, my name is Alison Silveira, and this is the Lucene assignment. For this assignment, we had to build a Lucene application using Eclipse. And to do so, first we had to set up JDK and Eclipse. But as I already had it set it up on my computer, I didn't have to go through those steps. So I started setting up the Lucene framework libraries. So the first thing I did was to download the libraries that we use during this application, building this application. So here's the main library that we are using. This is Lucene Core 3.6.2.jar that is stored in this folder in my computer. All right, so for this application, first I created a new project, a Java project, and a few classes here. So first I created this class that is Lucene constants that the only thing it does is to create some constants. So it's like public static constants that we have here, like contents, file name, file path, the max search. Then I created this other class here, this text file filter, and uh, this text file filter, it gets the path name from the text files. So we're only using uh, Java libraries here, not Lucene libraries yet. For this one, we don't use any libraries. So for this one, it's just a Java library. And here is where the fun begins. So this is the class that is the indexer. So this Lucene application, it has two main processes. The first one is to index the documents, and the second one is to search. It's made to search the indexes. So this first one is where we start to use the Lucene library and the functions that are built in this library. So this is the part of the application that actually builds the index. So it's going to create a document and adds the field, the name of the field, the path to this field, and also has some parts here to print in case of errors and other kinds of uh, handlings, other situations here. And this is the one that the class that we use to search the indexes. So we have also a lot of different functions here that we got from Lucene library. And here we have some warnings that this function here is deprecated, but it's working fine. So this is the class that we use to search a document. And we also built this Lucene tester that is a tester. So we're gonna create the indexes, and we're gonna actually we're gonna pass where the data that we want to index is. That is in this folder here. I changed it so I don't have a E disk, so I changed it to D. And where this application is gonna store the indexes that we're gonna build. So we need to pass those two paths here. And this specific tester, it's gonna what it's gonna do is it's gonna create the indexes for a few documents that I downloaded. There, it's a folder with 10 different text documents, and it's gonna create this index folder and store the indexes there. And then we're gonna search for a certain term here that is Mohan. So what this program does is it's gonna show us what those two classes here, indexer and searcher, is doing step by step. So after running this application here, what we got is this messages saying that the document that we call record one was indexed, and the second one, that's record one, it's record 10, also has been indexed until it indexes all the files. So we have 10 files indexed, and it took like 46 milliseconds to do so. It's very fast because the documents are not that big as well. They only have one row each. And also it does the search report. So this is what we got, the messages we got from the search report. So as we were looking for Mohan, it gave us that it was found in one document. By this time, also less than 1 second, probably. And this is the file that contains Mohan. So this is the file that contains this term is Lucene, is stored in Lucene data record 4. So let's take a look at this. So this is the folder that contains the records that were indexed. So we have different text files here, and the one that has the index that the term that we were looking for is this one. So Mohan's here, it is working fine. Also, it is interesting to notice that those were the files that were created by this program. So we have a few different kinds of files here, and we can understand, we can see that what those files are doing here. So we can recognize that some of those are archives here. So we have a FNM file that is the field definition. So let's go back to the folder. Let's see if we have. So we do have this one here. So this file here is the field definition. We also have a posting list that is supposed to be under this extension here, the TIS file. So let's take a look. Yeah, we do have this one here. We also have a file to get the frequency of the term. So in each document, what is the term frequency? So let's see if we do have this FRQ. Yeah, we have it here. And we also have the file that stores the position of a single term in each document. So this file has an extension PRX. Yeah, it is here. And we also have a few more files here that this is not the intent of this video, but this is how we build this Lucene application using Java, using Eclipse IDE to do so. And the application is working fine. And that's it. Thank you.